Proper nutrition is key to your health. However, sometimes you can treat yourself to something very tasty. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipe for chicken wings. We take 90 grams of prepared meat, pour in olive oil, add salt, lemon pepper, dried garlic and paprika, as well as baking powder. Mix everything well. Look, our marinade looks unusual. It seems to be foaming. Pour 450 milliliters of vegetable oil into a frying pan. You can use avocado oil, peanut butter, or any other oil that suits your taste. When the oil is warmed up, we begin to add the wings. Fry for 8 minutes on one side. To make a delicious but rather heavy dish a little healthier, it helps to have the right side dish. For that, we'll use a coleslaw salad. Shred 70 grams of white cabbage. It shouldn't be cut too large, because then it won't be convenient to eat. The salad itself will turn out less juicy. Transfer the cabbage to a large bowl. Next, grate the carrots. We cleaned 1 carrot and grate it on a coarse grater. We transfer the carrots to the cabbage. Add some shallots to the salad. We'll cut 1 head into half rings. I would like to say that this is our author's version of coleslaw. Usually onions are not used in this salad, but I think it gives it a little extra sweetness. We transfer the onions to the other vegetables. The only thing missing is green, so let's finally chop some dill. It's spicy and refreshing. It'll really go with this dish. I think you've already guessed where to put the greens. Look at how well the chicken is browned. Turn to the other side and fry for another 8 minutes. It already looks very appetizing, but you'll have to wait. Fortunately, I know how to distract you. We'll make the salad dressing. We'll need 115 grams of mayonnaise, Dijon mustard for a little spice, 2 teaspoons of honey or a sugary syrup. This will emphasize the sweetness of the vegetables and balance out the taste. A teaspoon of vinegar, for example, apple cider vinegar. Add salt and black pepper. Now we mix everything so that the sauce becomes even and the flavors come together and something new is formed. Pay attention to its consistency. It shouldn't be too thick or too liquidy. Pour the sauce over the vegetables. Make sure to cover every last bit. To evenly distribute the dressing, get yourself a fork and a spoon and mix. It's better to do this from a bottom to up movement, so no sauce is just left at the bottom. See how juicy it is? While we were making the salad, the chicken was getting perfectly fried. Remove from the heat and place on a paper towel. Always use it when frying with oil. It helps get rid of the excess fat. Only one thing is missing, the wing sauce. We take a piece of butter and melt it in a frying pan. Add 100 milliliters of honey. It'll combine with the wings for a perfect sweetness. We also pour 80 milliliters of ready-made buffalo sauce to the pan. Mix, and then let it evaporate for just about a minute. I can't think of a better addition to these wings. Pour your ready-made sauce over the chicken. Now, it's covered with a glossy glaze. Lightly mix the wings so that the sauce is evenly distributed. Garnish and taste. The chicken goes so well with the fresh salad. Did you like the dish? Please give us a like, and thanks for watching.